I'm Basra introducing PUSPITO RIZKY WAHANI from English Educational Students. So in here I will pronounce short vowel sound from U and long vowel sounds from U. So in here I will pronounce 10 of short vowel sound U and 10 long vowel sounds from U. So please check it out. Okay, in here for short vowel sounds from U, I choose words book, cook, food, football, rook, look, good, shook, brook, and rockery. So the tongue position from short U is up and in the back of the mouth, so and it's pronounced short, like book, cook, food, football, rook, look, good, shook, brook, rockery. Okay, and for the next it's the long vowel sounds from U. In here I choose 10 words. There is a lot of way to pronounce long vowel sound from U. There is some words that's pronounced with U sometimes when in the middle of the words, and of course the vowel sounds U, it's long. So in here I choose afternoon, shampoo, mood, room, shoes, moon, stool, spoon, cool, and tattoo. In here there is for the word choose, it's pronounced choose, not choose. Choose. There is Y in the middle of that pronounce. So the long U pronounce afternoon, shampoo, mood, broom, shoes, moon, stool, spoon, cool, and tattoo. So was that, ma'am? Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.